Assalamu alaikum. We have the Yokogawa GD402 is to gas purity meter, and this one is the converter K meter, and that one is the new detector which have been replaced. We have the GD40T model, and this if you open this cover, you can see that new detector constant written on it. Now if you replace only the detector, not the meter, then you have to put the detector constant here. So for this one you need to access the service level parameters, then put this star button and give the user level password, which is 331. Your one, if the password is not configured, then you need not to put this one. Good mode and this range no, press no, no, and for service yes. Then again put 331 the user password, and then give enter. For this one you have to put code 82 for this director constant. You can read the manual for other parameters. There is written code for all others. You have to put this one is the 020 is the service level password. This one is a parameter, first 4 numbers of the hex digits. There is 8 digit hex digit in these parameters, first part and second part. The H is the first part and L is the second part. So here after pressing enter, you can see all the parameters. Is T1, T2. So all these parameters you can observe. Then when the service keyword appears, that means that your parameters have ended. So I will show you how to change these parameters. I will show you one parameter change, then show you how to save it. So first of all, you put the 331 password, then for range, no, not service, yes, then 331 enter, then 82, then 020. I will change only this the fourth digit of the A parameter from 1 to 5. So this one is not yet saved. You have to go all the way. After changing all required parameters, you will go to the keyword of service. Then if you quite press mode, then your parameter will be saved. But if you quite midway, then your parameter will not be saved. So please do change all the parameters, and then after reaching service, you press mode, then your parameter settings will be saved. So this way you can change the detector and replace the detector constant. If you have the detector meter pair which is calibrated, please change both. If you don't, if you only have the detector, only change the detector. I will check the change. Yes, the change is saved. So thank you.